button on the toolbar is the Project Central button. Project Central provides a central location that consolidates and significantly improves the project navigation and management. Click the Project Central button to display its window. Located at the top of Project Central's window is the Find text box. You can type any portion of a project or sub-project's name in the text box and then click either the Find button or hit Enter. Here we will type in merger. The first occurrence of merger will be highlighted. Click Find again for more occurrences. Note that merger is found as part of a sub-project and shows up. If a sub-project is located within a collapsed project, Project Central will first expand the project and then highlight the sub-project, making it easy for you to find the desired project or sub-project. You can create new projects and sub-projects in Project Central. Let's add a new sub-project for the project Wolfpack. Highlight the Wolfpack project in Project Central's window. Select New from the project menu or right-click on the highlighted project Wolfpack. Select New from the context menu that appears. Enter Red Team for the new sub-project's name. If you are entering a new project, you would click Create at this point. However, because we are entering a sub-project, we need to check the Sub-Project Of's checkbox. The Sub-Project Of drop list is automatically filled with Wolfpack because we selected it from Project Central's window earlier. It's important to note that if a sub-project is selected from Project Central, the Sub-Project Of checkbox will automatically be checked. Click Create. Now you can see that the new Red Team sub-project was created under Wolfpack. Another feature of Project Central is the ability to rename projects and sub-projects. Here we'll rename Light and Bright Sales to Light Sales. Highlight Light and Bright. Click the Project menu and select Rename, or you can right-click the highlighted Light and Bright project. Select Rename from the context menu that appears. Enter Light Sales as the new name and click OK. All tasks, appointments, emails, and journals with the project name Light and Bright Sales will be updated and renamed to Light Sales. Another way of managing projects and sub-projects in the Project Central's window is by hiding them from the view. If you have a lengthy list of projects, you may want to view only those projects on which you are currently working. Use the Show Hidden checkbox to filter the list of projects and sub-projects in this view only. First, make sure Show Hidden is checked. Next, let's select marketing efforts and sales efforts from Project Central's windows. Select Hide from the project menu or right-click and select Hide from the context menu. The projects are hidden from view. As you can see, hiding projects and sub-projects is easy. Revealing a hidden project or sub-projects is just as easy. Make sure that Show Hidden is checked. Any hidden project or sub-project's font colors will be changed to gray to indicate that they are hidden. Select the hidden project or sub-project that you would like to reveal. Select Unhide from the project menu or right-click the highlighted project sub-project and select Unhide from the context menu. The project or sub-project's font has been changed to black to indicate that it is no longer hidden. Now let's see how hiding or unhiding a project affects its task. When we create a new task, we see that the project Sales Efforts does not appear in the task project drop list. This is because Sales Efforts is set as a hidden project. If we choose Wolfpack from the project drop list, the Red Team sub-project that we created is now available in that sub-project drop list. After creating the task is listed under the Wolfpack project. Within Project Central, you can delete projects and sub-projects. If you choose to delete a project or sub-project, you will be asked if you want to continue deleting the selected project or sub-project. Clicking Yes will remove your project from the Project Central entirely, but any sub-projects or tasks will not be deleted. If No is selected, you will be returned to Project Central's window. You can also mark a project or sub-project complete from within Project Central. This allows you to quickly denote a project or sub-project as complete, and if you are using a GTD view, the task will be removed from any active task view. This does not actually delete the project or sub-project, but rather stores it for future review. Let's complete the project co-merger. First, make sure Show Hidden checkbox is not checked. Next, select the co-merger project from Project Central's window and select either Complete from the project menu or right-click and select Complete from the context menu. Click Yes. Co-merger is marked complete and hidden from view. The project will no longer appear in Project Central's window unless the Show Hidden checkbox is checked. Check the Show Hidden checkbox. The project co-merger is now displayed with a line through it, and its font color has been changed to gray to indicate that it has been marked complete. Marking a project or sub-project incomplete is just as easy as marking one complete. To uncomplete a project or sub-project, make sure the Show Hidden checkbox is checked. Highlight the completed project, sub-project, and select Uncomplete from the project menu, or right-click the highlighted project, sub-project, and select Uncomplete from the context menu. Click Yes. The project returns to Project Central's window. Project Central also provides a way to someday a project, its sub-projects, and its tasks to a specific someday folder and to the someday project window. This allows you to safely store projects to look at again without cluttering your Project Central window and your mind. You can review projects or associated sub-projects and tasks at any time to refresh your memory. To someday a project, highlight the project from Project Central's window and select Someday from the project menu, or right-click the highlighted project to select Someday from the context menu. The project with its sub-projects are removed from Project Central's main window and placed in the Someday Projects window. Click Manage Someday Projects to review a list of all the projects that have been somedayed. In the Someday Projects window, you can use the project we just somedayed as listed. From the Project Somedays window, you can unsomeday a project as well. Highlight the project you would like to unsomeday from the Someday Projects window and click Make Active. The project will be returned to Project Central's windows. Another functionality of Project Central is Create Reports for projects. The report can be viewed, printed, or exported to RTF and PDF formats. To create a report, highlight the project in Project Central's window and click Project menu, Create Report. You can also highlight the report and right-click to show the context menu and select Create Report. Create Report displays a report setup that will allow you to customize your report. The form will remember the last settings used the next time it opens. It's important to note that a report cannot be created for sub-projects. We will view a report with the tasks sorted by action. Check the Show Completed Tasks and Show Hidden Tasks checkboxes to list any completed or hidden tasks. So what happened? A summary report is displayed and the project's name, start and due dates, completion status, desired outcome, notes, sub-projects, tasks, and appointments are listed. Any completed tasks or hidden tasks are listed because we checked the Show Completed Tasks and Show Hidden Tasks checkboxes. Project Central provides a central location that significantly improves and consolidates project navigation and management into one place.